Let's talk about some fun, rare cases. Implementing interfaces with conflicting methods. It is possible that when you're implementing multiple interfaces, a class may run into a situation where the methods in the interface have conflicting signatures. In this case, the class must provide an implementation for the conflicting method. Here's an example of conflicting methods in interfaces. In this example, my class implements both the myInterface1 and myInterface2 interface, both of which have a method with the same signature. These are methods that are implemented, but due to the limited space on my slide, they're empty. That doesn't change the situation here though. There's a conflict. To resolve the conflict, the class must provide an implementation for the myMethod method. Let's have a look at our example in IntelliJ. I'm going to give both prey and predator a default method run. And I'm going to do something very similar in prey. So I'm actually copying the method, but instead it's going to be prey is running. And you can immediately see there's one related problem. And the one related problem is in Fox. This time there's red squigglies, but they're smaller. Let's hover over them. It says that Fox inherits unrelated defaults for run from the interfaces, predator and prey. And we must fix this. The solution would be to override the run method here. So let's go ahead and here say add override, then override public void run, and then give it our own implementation, which would be Fox is running. And as you can see, the red squigglies went away, and interestingly enough, it's not showing an I on the left side, but an O from override, because we're now overriding instead of implementing. And as you can see, the red squigglies are gone. There's no longer a problem, because we say what implementation Fox needs to use. Alright, so that's what happens when two interfaces have implemented conflicting methods. The class that overrides both must specify its own implementation. It's time for a related topic, abstract. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at abstract and what it means for classes and methods.